Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. We are from Group 2. So today we're going to presenting about economic of welding and procurement project. This is our team members. As you can see, the first one is me, IZZAT bin Abdullah. The middle one is Mama IKMAL bin HALIM and also Mama IKMAL FARIZ bin NORAZIZAM. Introduction. So the proposed project is to design a grill chair. A grill is an opening of several slits side by side in a wall, metal sheet or another barrier, usually to allow air or water to enter and or leave and prevent larger object from going in or out. Basically, we are making a fence in a futsal court area. So due to the strain placed on each time the fence is utilized when playing futsal, the court fence has become damaged after extensive use. So the objective of this project is first, mechanical analysis can be used to efficiently design and develop product ideas. Second, student will be exposed to product development and welding design analysis. And the third one is to calculate about cost reduction that can be made on this project. So the scope of the project is, the first one is to apply fundamental knowledge of technology to welding, technology methods, processes, system and also techniques. Next one is ability to suggest and use cutting edge tools and strategies to tackle challenges with broad definitions. And the third one is to demonstrate an awareness of societal challenges and the obligation that come with them when it comes to broadly defined technology activities. So basically, this is the technical drawing of our project. As you can see, this is the orthographic view. The project's length is around approximately around 2,490 millimeters. The width of the project is 608 millimeters, and also as you can see, this is the front view, left view, and also the top view of the project. Next is about assembly and bill of material. So as you can see, we have a few parts. We have 4 parts. As you can see, we have the grill part, and then the L bar, the side plate, and also the L bar support. For each of it, for the grill part, we only use 1. And then for the L bar, we use 2. The side plate, we use 2. And also the L bar support, we use 2. So this is the well design where it took place in our project. As you can see over here is we use mostly is SMAL, because SMAL can help us to reduce about the costing when using the welding. My friend will explain it later. So as you can see, we're using every part of it. We use SMAL. We have butt joint, fillet joint, and also spot welding. All of it we use small sheeted metal arc welding. So material cost, I will pass to my friend to continue about it. Thank you. That's all from me.
Thank you very much, IZZAT NAJWAN, for the presentation. So I'm Muhammad IQMAL bin Halim. I will explain about material cost. So the material cost analysis refers to the raw materials and badger material used to produce this project. These materials cover the cost of purchasing metal and finished tools such as spray, pen, pen wheel and so on. So if you can see, we have 8 component or material for this project. First, we have angle bar, mild steel. Second, flat bar, mild steel. Third, grill. Fourth, pen, thinner, pen brush, grinder wheel, and electrode. So for the total of the material, as you can see, in angle bar, the total of the angle bar is 58 ringgit and 10 cent. The flat bar is 11 ringgit and 15 cent. Grill is 75 ringgit. Pen 15 ringgit. Thinner 4 ringgit. Pen brush 2 ringgit, grinder wheel 3 ringgit, and electrode 7 ringgit and 47 sen. So the total of the component or material is 175.72 sen. So for the utility cost, okay, the utility used to produce this project is the cost of electricity used. The following are the electrical equipment used and the calculation of the cost electricity to produce this project. Okay, so for the utility cost for this project, we just use like grinding machine, disc cutter, fan, lamp and welding machine. So the total of usage for the equipment that I said just now is 9.746 kilowatt per hour. So the electricity cost for the first 200 kilowatt hour for industrial use is 1.746 times 0.388, which is industrial current rate. So we get 3 ringgit and 78 sen. So the total cost of electricity is 3 ringgit and 78 sen. Okay, next for the labor cost, we just only have 2 labor, which is project drawing and welder. So the project drawing total of labor cost is RM 40 ringgit for the per project. So for the welder is 15 ringgit times 3 hours. So we get 45 ringgit for finish this project. So total of the labor cost is 85 ringgit. Okay, so the total cost of material cost plus utility cost plus labor cost, we get 264 ringgit and 50 sen. Okay, next this is a welding cost project, which is I think the calculation for welding project more detail lah. So okay, as you can see for the welding cost project, okay, first we have thickness of plate, minimum voltage, current use, welding speed, welding time, electrode rate, labor rate, power rate, efficiency of welding, connecting ratio, overhead charge, labor accomplishment factor, and last is lap joint length. So all the criteria ni we can use for the calculation lah. Okay, so first we should calculate the welding cost. So for the welding cost, the total of welding cost is 19 ringgit and 44 ringgit. Okay, next. Okay, for labor cost, we get 3 ringgit and 57 sen per meter of weld length. So the cost of electrode is 7 ringgit 47 sen. So the next total direct cost per meter of weld is 30 ringgit and 48 sen. Overhead charge is 24 ringgit 38 sen. So the total charge for welding 1 meter length of joint is 54 ringgit 86 sen. So the lap joint length for this project is 1549 meters. So the total charge of making the weld joint is 48 ringgit 30 cents times by 1549 meter. So we get 74 ringgit 55 sen. So for the financial statement, IKMAL FARIZ will explain more detail about this. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Iqmal bin Ma'alim. Okay, I continue this present about financial statement. Financial statement is accounting concept refer to the basic consumption and rules of participants which work as the basic of recording of business transaction and preparing account. Like debit and credit card always equal. Debit consists of asset and expense. Credit consists of liability and sales. Asset are things you own. Liability are things you own. So this is reference journal entry. So as you can see, the 1st January 2022, we go to shop equipment. We use the debit card around 100 ringgit, 75.72 cent. We use cash, and that is we push the material. In 3 January 2022, we paid a drawing fee. We use online transfer. The drawing designer used Katia. And 4 January 2022, we pay utility current such as machinery, equipment. We pay online transfer, 3 ringgit 78 cents, and 25 January 2022, we pay labor with cash, 45 ringgit with 1 workers. Okay, this is the ledger. So the all journal entry we carry out with big title such as purchase material, with cash, paid, and online transfer. Okay, in conclusion, getting a true and long-lasting reduction in the unit pricing industry product is referred to as cost reduction. As a result, it works to reduce all cost manufacturing and labor. In addition, the comparison of weldment strength is also significant between conventional and reduction method. Also, the reduction method is only a little weldment, but it is strong and durable. That's all. Thank you for listening.